Create a pinch perfect flush of color using the new limited edition Soft Pinch Liquid Blush from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. This featherweight formula infused with long-lasting pigments will last all day. Available in matte and dewy finishes, this liquid blush blends beautifully to create a soft, buildable color with a natural second skin finish. And we've got 2 of those brand new shades right here. She's kept the same packaging. I super love that. This is the color Worth and the color Virtue. So I'm just going to swatch these on the back of my hand. I can't wait to see what these look like. Alright, that is really pretty. That is just a beautiful true rose, warm pink with like a peachy undertone. Love that. Alright, so this one is Virtue. This is a true peach beige color. Honestly, they look side by side pretty similar in color. Obviously, that one's a little bit more pinky. So I'm interested to see how these both look on the skin. They're both the dewy formula, as she also has the matte formula as well, but I was surprised that she didn't do one new matte shade and one new dewy shade. There are 13 shades in the collection, but these are the 2 brand new limited edition shades. I did powder half my face, and this side doesn't have any powder, so you guys can see how this looks. So I'm going to take Virtue, and I'm going on the side that doesn't have powder. She does say you can underpaint with this as well, but I've already applied my foundation. So I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3 of these. We're going to go in and blend this out. I'm super excited to see what this color looks like on the skin. Alright, that is pigmented. Super nice color though. Now, I'm not a big fan of going in with my fingers, but I am just going to blend that out just a little bit. Alright, the color is really good. I'm a big fan of that. Still gives me a nice peachy vibe, but it's not as intense as I thought it was going to be. It's her standard dewy formula. There's no smell. I honestly thought she was going to up the game and maybe add like a bit of a shimmer, to this. But no, it's her standard formula. But this is a stunning limited edition color. So on this side right here, I'm going to go in with the color Worth. I am going to see how this builds. I do have on powder. So I'm going to start with 1, 2. Again, we're using a Merit brush to blend this out. My favorite brush right now. Award-winning for a reason. Now this is a little intense. I'm going to dap it on the back of my hands, take off some of that product, and I'm going to go in to blend this out. Okay, stunning color, but intense. It blends out like a dream. I'm going to go in, use my same brush that I used for my foundation, and just veil the edges, because I don't like a blush that is too 80s. And this pink is a beautiful rose, but it's giving me kind of like an 80s vibe, which is great if you kind of want that supermodel look. But right there, that's all I need. That's giving me all the vibes that I need. I'm going to go back in with the same brush that we used to apply, and I'm just going to just tap on just a little bit more right there where I want it concentrated, right here where I'm going to add some highlighter. So these 2 colors are limited edition. Would I recommend picking this up? Honestly, this shade right here, the peach, like, yes. I like that one a lot. So the pink, am I loving that? Not as much. I'm going to be real with you guys. The Giorgio Armani blush that I actually reviewed for you guys last week, that is giving me everything. This is just, I'm not living for it. That color is just not sitting good for me on my skin tone, but it might look amazing on you. So if you guys love it, definitely recommend picking it up. Her blushes are iconic and stunning. So if you guys like these colors, let me know in the comments down below which blushes you've tried from her collection and which ones are your favorite. I'm super curious. Did you guys pick up that new Armani blush? Because, that's one I would totally recommend. So if you haven't seen the video, definitely check it out right here. And if you loved this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Alright guys, I lost 50 pounds. I'm super, super excited. So I am on that weight loss journey. So stick around. Alright guys, live, love, and look blessed. Bye.